Hi everybody. I just want to show how a BMW transfer case actuator looks inside. I already did the repair, by replacing the gear, which as we can see is pretty worn out. So it was causing the 4x4 light, ABS light, to come on. See, all the teeth are gone. This gear is made out of carbon, so around 100,000 miles it just wears out. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's back together. All I have to do is put the cover back on, this one right here, and it should be ready to go. Alright. Also, I just want to show the original clip has been discarded, so I just use an aftermarket clip, which it does the same job. This is the original, which is expanded already, so I just replace it for a new one, and looks much better. Okay, all right, thank you.